Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to search posts or other post types by categories or other taxonomy terms with Ajax Search Pro. So let's start off by creating a new search bar. So you just click on Ajax Search Pro. I don't have anything here, so let's go. I'm gonna search by categories. That's what I'm gonna call it. And let's click on the gear icon to access the settings. So by default, you have posts and pages enabled. This is the very first panel on the search sources, post type search. In this current installation, I don't have any posts and pages, or only I have one. So I'm just rather going to choose products, but it really doesn't matter. And right now, if I try, so if you click here in the show, you get a preview. And if I search, for example, a logo, I have this logo collection product. So let's check out if it's in some category. Yeah, it looks like it's, this is a collection of items, but it doesn't matter. So this is in the clothing category. So chances are if I search for clothing, yeah, nothing's gonna come up. It just tries to suggest something because by default, search in taxonomy terms is not enabled. To enable that, you just scroll down on the very first page and go to search in terms. This is categories, tags, and other taxonomy terms. Just turn it off. Let's refresh. Let's search for clothing, and there we go. Now we have the result. This is it. But what if you only want to search certain taxonomies and not all of them? Well, there's a solution for that by using the index table engine, which you can switch here. I'm not going to go into many details. There's a separate video on that. There should be a link somewhere on the screen and also in the description below on how to configure it. So let's just switch to the index table engine. Okay, by switching into this engine, you're basically not going to get any results. So okay, let's check clothing. So see, nothing is here. That's because the index table is not actually configured. So let's just save this. And if you, as you notice, that some of the options disappeared, that is because they are available on the index table options panel. So let's open the index table settings. And as you can see, that's very similar to what we had there. So I can choose the post types I want to index. The index table is basically just a different engine, but it has to gather the keywords from the selected sources. And by default, there's obviously nothing selected. So let's continue. I want to index the titles, content, excerpt, and all of that from the products. I don't want to index post categories and tags here because there's no use for me, but I can index the product categories, also the brands and tags and whatever. But in this case, I'm just going to index the product categories because that's all I want. There's also options to index custom fields and whatever. We're not going to deal with that right now. Again, if you want it, there's a video about that, link in the description below. So let's save this. But that doesn't mean we have everything indexed. So we have to click the create new index button. That will start a process. If you have a lot of products, that means that, well, that's going to take some time. But right now I have like 18, it says 18, everything is indexed. There's a lot of keywords. And let's now go back to the search. Let's go and hit the preview. And let me try search clothing. And now I have this result. So yeah, this is the two ways to enable search in taxonomy terms. I usually recommend the second method. It is much faster, much quicker. It relieves a lot of strain from your server when searching. So yeah, that's definitely what I recommend. And you don't have to worry about like re-indexing it every single time. The index automatically updates when you update a product or add a new product. So yeah, you don't really have to worry about that. But again, recommend checking the video. There's a lot of things you can do like synonyms and whatever. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.